Microsoft Insert menu. Click on Insert. We've already worked on Smart Art chart, hyperlink, cross-reference, header. How to create header? Click on header. Suppose click on these options. You should write suppose IPA. On each page of the heading you can see IPA. Similarly, you can also create footer IPA KPK. On every page you will see on header what you have written on the first page, you will see the same word on all the pages. Similarly, when you write on the first page footer, like I have written IPA KPK, all the pages will show footer IPA KPK. Page number, if you want to give the page number on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page, on the margin, current position, format page number. Almost people give that page number on the top of the page, and the center, right, left. In this format we want to give the plain number, page number on the top left menu. Every page will show the page number on the top left side. You can see on the second page, page number 2. In insert menu we work on all these options: cover page, blank page, page break, table, picture, clip art, shape, chart, hyperlink, bookmark, cross reference, header, footer. The use of hyperlink is mostly in Excel, while in Word it is limited. Quick part, word art. How to use word art in MS Word? Click here, then click on word art. We want to give this format, this style. Suppose we are writing here Institute of Professional Accountants and bracket IPA. You can bring it to the center. Then drag from here to expand this one. We want to create here shape. Suppose this shape. A career with unlimited possibilities. Now we want to remove the border from the career with unlimited possibility. How to remove the border? Select, bring the cursor here, then right click of the mouse, then click on format auto shape. Click on color, then no color, white or background one, then OK. You can see the border has removed. Now what do you want to write here? Suppose this is to certify that Mr. Shift then dash button, son of Shift then dash button, has successfully completed 4 months of accounting and finance. His registration number, Shift then dash dash. In the end, he has been awarded with a certificate of course completion, dated full stop, then approved by right click on dated. It will automatically correct these options. Control S for save, to save your document. Signature option, you can click on signature, Microsoft Office signature line. It will automatically suggest signature. Suppose Mr. Ahmed. Signature title, suppose manager, admin and accounts, then OK. Now you can see from here click here, you can write these approved by you can scan the signature of the person who, suppose Mr. Ahmed is a manager, admin and account, how to bring his signature here. Scan his signature. He should write his signature on a blank paper, then scan that paper, then click on picture. Simply select from desktop or from here, anywhere you can select and insert his signature to bring it here in this area. OK. Our insert menu has been completed. This is lesson number 5. Next we will work on page layout. Thank you so much.